Mimama Kwaba Eba Ebufusem TV so Musonfo lyrical prophet Joseph Nana Kwesi Yinka Frimpong Majimedra se say die foforo kra na aba betom eye audio eye ye papa no ne twade papa no ochewa papa no osomu a papa no papa no afedie papa no aba betwa papa no waduru papa no yebedane di papa no ebufusem pa mu ebufusem die ebi koso Ghana kurom ha krodua mu enye fe kra ababa wa Tracy Boache ene ninuaba Miss Bell His Excellency former President John Dramani Mahama se otimi free sasem we mu free na se so obetimi asaye anase obetimi ene sa maba we ode ne ho abo mu biemu dia ene na etoje ono a senka aka adaba kopɛ na yakoto aba na wohwɛ na audio ya aba beto dwai audio ya omadi 9 NDC fo adi 9 amamba we yankasa no adi 9 na ekowia ase a akoba se die na omo kan audio ni mo no se na papa no se na John Dramani Mahama etiefo we die kalkum yedine kwakuo num entino me di audio no ba beto so sesi a na mo atie bi nanso no ansa na me di audio ni beto so no bo modin a se ope bibia tie ope se woye enipa odi kan a ye di video so to a obete ye nka eye simple kra on subscribe click subscribe na so adoma bi won nchen na click so na ma me like ba ko na leave comments na share your grind na yempe more stories and famrel ye dasi ti papa no ne twedie papa no osomu a papa no ochewa papa no.
Yeah, hello.
Okay, it's very clear now. Me say, who say NDC no na ediebe bo mu se enia baako during 2016. I don't know man me who now. Yeah, I've seen some things before God the man. Me wo na obi the screenshot ama me. Emre bi kran say wo frame me na wo US. Emma wo frame wo say wo hu caption bi mistress. And I'm a catch you say me kwan a screenshot.
You called me and you were
yes. I remember.
You were very upset. You wouldn't listen to anything I have.
And I'm a cattle call. No. Yes, I remember. And I'll say me bune from TNT. Funny serious. I remember. Come, you number no screenshots number no. On the Instagram, maybe you see more than one account. Yeah, na picture be that here. Yes, and be na dear or control papa account no. Me, say I have 110 evidence that a woman will control account no, which I can send you on WhatsApp now. I approached him myself. So I say, I'm doing a Miss Bell. And all these while, all you me say, now we all supporting because the capital not the amount. Now I can't natural. And I can't say, me chasso. And I'm saying, no, me chasso. Because I did not Miss Bell, you know. What's it or the Sunday will hear it? So you want, or me now what between the idea with you. Meanwhile, the message between you and Miss Bell, I want me phone. So Miss Bell me the PR bontia. And some I did no, and yeah, papa. So I spoke to my mom right now, and I'm saying, no, Miss Bell is like a big sister to me. Let me call her and let her know what is going on because the ethical is not funny. I have thought about this thing the whole of this morning, so I just decided, say, no, let me call you. You can record and send it to him. What Vodafone number? Have you asked me how I got a Vodafone number? Because of the messages between the two of you. You want to fuck him at the end, shower, they bro, funky, they bro. I have everything on my phone. If you can't try and say, you are doing this. Yeah, I told him straight. Say,
you have a screenshot of my messages.
Yes.
On
the phone, so.
Okay.
All my pictures, any of the idea or the man, no, natural caption, I can't I have it. So I said, say no. It's not funny.
Mahama like I chose me na me managing an account.
And you know can you me who called me to say, have you checked your Instagram account? Who called me to say, what should I write? Now see I feel send me by a call text saying someone for say Lodina. Like everything, I have the whole thing.
You saw it on his phone.
I saw it myself. I saw it myself. Say, picture. No, they are sending, no, the caption, I can't want myself at home. I don't care. And you must say, maybe problem with your mama friend. Yeah, editing now, what edited the sending of say, and maybe what the I did sending and say, you see, he's so good in bed, blah, blah, blah. Say, hey, who is doing this to me? It's your mommy's friend, blogger, because I say, to me, edit will be captions. So before the mommy, who you're not a busan and went to me and denied him, all he said was, Yenchaso. Now, on one, Emma, and I was like, I don't care, but I don't know, editing in your bro. Or I tell you the bro, you even want him not to send me a picture on from my answer. And I will send a picture, I'm more fun to Facebook on from my answer. I saw all of them, but I didn't hear me problem. Hey, the hospital bill now, about 20 million, I can't say channel. I have everything. You know, they say me, what evidence when we force 100% and I'm my about 2,000, and I'll say a EB 500, and a EB 200. Into finance coming so. Into manufacturers are. Let's say we have Mr. Miss Bill. About one thing. Yes, it's your number. I didn't view the number in the chat. And I mean, say, you even came out to say, or you're wrong the channel. And I say, oh, 2 hour hospital bill, but only been to about 1. And I saw it on the phone to say, I'll send you 2,000 officer. And I say, oh, outside the country. About the Bibeca woman. And I buy my fans 5K, and I'll done a sister on Saturday, scan 5K, what I say. I say, oh, I have them. So, the reason why I called you, you can tell it to him, and you're my son. But Miss Rowe, editing, Miss Bo, I don't know what you are going through, so yes, sir. I will not blame you. Maybe I cry, my phone said, Mrs. Penny, means me, I think, but we do not put the most Rowe. Politics, na emi and Yakoye, me ta chome to me, and your bonnet. And maybe I will find a quite to me for say. I'm very careful with me. I'm free with her. What to say? What cut my car? I don't do that because who come after man and I won't send me in class. I send in Germany. It's no man. I wasn't the damn hustle. So I beg you in the name of God. You get more money campaign, but we chasing the editor now. The man on it there. Please. You know, baby, I would call. Apart from Papa, you know, I will send them all. And what's over from a whole time? Miss Bill, we need to know one in you. Will be messages me 8080, number 8080. Messages all the money. Nah, I have it on my drive. Do you understand? I tried to call someone, he could deny, but he didn't deny. So I beg you in the name of God, please. Now you can say all according in your sending. I saw everything. I beg you.
I don't know where you are taking this, but I think you just want me to know that you have access to his phone, and
it's not even about access to.
Everything you're saying, I
saw everything.
Everything.
I
don't know where it's coming from, and I don't know where it's going, but I get what you're trying to do. But it's fine. Are you done talking?
You see, you are still getting me wrong.
Are you done? Because I'm sitting here minding my whole business. You called to tell me all this. I don't think it's necessary what you see on his phone and what he tells you and what he cannot deny and what I don't think is necessary. It should be between you and him.
Yeah, it's not even about
I don't know what you're talking about. And
it's not even about
anything. If you have a problem and you think it's me, you can sue me because you seem to have a lot of evidence.
Why would I sue you?
No,
it's like, oh yeah.
If you have a problem and you think you have evidence, I think you should sue me. That's the best way. Everything you're calling me to tell me now, I don't know where I'm.
And you know, the American, you like you only want to say, like I'm coming from a good way.
Me who baby Audi, fini baby Audi ko. And I maybe say, are you done?
Okay, I'm done.
Thank you.